Hi everybody, this is Rashmi and today we are going to discuss a topic relational and logical operator. As we have already discussed Java operators in Java Token 1 and 2 video, but still few more information about the relational and logical operator I am going to give in this video. So let's start with the relational operator. Relational operators are basically used to compare two values, to integers and character values. As we know that we can't compare the string value with these relational operators, so we are using the relational operator to compare integers and character value. Let's take a look. We have 6 types of relational operator. We have first is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to and not equal to. These are the very basic types of relation we used to compare with ourselves. We can also check either the first value is greater than to the second value. For that, let's take some example of this kind of operators. Let us suppose we have a value of a is 30, that is integer value, b is 10 and c is 40. Now what we are going to evaluate over here, first we have to find out what if a is greater than b. That means always remember relational operator gives you boolean value. Boolean value means either it will returns true or false value. Now as you can see over here, the value of a is 30 and value of b is 10. So it is true that the a is greater than b. Now let's take next example where we are going to check equal to, like c equal to b. That means the value of c is 40 and the value of b is 10. That means both the values are not equal, so it returns false value. Now third example, c not equal to b. As we can see that in the value of c is 40 and value of b is 10. So 10 is not equal to 40, which is true. So you will get true answer over here. Now let's move on to the next question, in which you are going to find out the value of a is more than equal to c. That means two operations are here, that is more than and equal to. You have to check the single possibility. If occurring over here, you might be get true answer, and if no possibility will be occur over here, you will get false answer. So the value of a is 30 and the value of c is 40. So check the first condition, that a greater than c, which is false. So check the second condition, a equal to c, which is also false. So in this case you will get false answer. Now next question, where you need to be check the value of b less than equal to c. That means you have to check both the condition. First, the value of b is 10. The 10 is less than c. As you can see over the screen, the c value is 40. So the answer is true. But you must be check one more condition where this b value is equal to c. The b value is 10 and c value is 40, which is false. But as we know, if one of the condition will be true, you will get correct answer. For this, you will get true. Now the next question is a less than c. That means in this case you have to check the value of a is less than c or not. The value a is 30 and value c is 40. It is obviously clear to all of you that the answer of this value will be true. Alright. So these are the relational operators. These are the basically 6 relational operators where we are going to perform over the operands and we will get the boolean output. Now it's time to look the logical operator. Logical operator in Java provides 3 types of logical operator. The first is logical OR, second logical AND, and third is logical NOT. So always remember, in logical OR operation, if both the relational values are false, only that time you will get false answer. Otherwise, if one of the value will be true, you will get true answer. In logical operator, basically we compare two relational operator, and the logical operations value depend upon the result of relational operation. That's why I explained relational operator first before explaining the logical operator. And when we talk about the next operator, that is logical AND. In logical AND, for getting true output, both the relational operator values should be true, otherwise you will get false answer. It's completely invert as we compare with OR answer or logical operator. And NOT, as you know, NOT is used as a navigator. That means which invert the result of relational operator. If you are getting true answer in relational, so if you put it in logical NOT in front of it, you will get negation of that answer. That means if you are getting true, if you are applying NOT before that, you will get false. So let's take more look over the examples. First we are going to discuss logical AND. So it's very much clear over the screen. The value of A is 10, value of B is 3 and value of C is 5. Now let's take a look for the question where they are going to be try to find out the output of this code. Always remember, similar as a relational operator, logical operator also return a Boolean value. Boolean value means two type of value. That means either it will return true or false. So for this we need to separately solve both the relation operators and then we join the output of their operators. So first we are going to check A is greater than B. So as you can see over your screen that 10 is more than 3, which is true. So that means this relation will return you true. And second, A equal to C. That means 10 equal to 5, which is false. So remember, in logical case, both the logical and both the relational operator value should be true. So here one value is true, one value is false. So you know what is the answer. Your answer will be false. Okay. Let's move to the next example. The next example we have A. First we are going to evaluate A is greater than B, that is 10 is more than 3, which is true. The second, A is greater than C, which is true, 10 is more than 5. In this case you can see both the relational operator value is true, so you are going to be get a true answer of this question. Okay. So now it's time to understand the logical OR operator where the value of A is 10, value of B is 3 and value of C is 5. Now let's look the question. In the first, the same thing happen over here. That means we need to calculate two relational operator first, then we will get the desired result. So A less than B, which is false. That means 10 is not less than 3. Second, okay, A is more than C, which is true. So as we know in logical OR, if one of the condition will be true, you will get the true result. Okay. So the final answer will be true. Now this is the final operator, that is logical NOT. In this case we have expression that is A greater than B. So let's evaluate this. 10 is more than 3, which is true. But don't forget the negation. That means NOT is used as a negation. It will invert your result. So you are getting true over here, but after applying that negation NOT over here, it will revert your result and it will return false. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this concept and you must be practice at your home. Till the time, thank you and good day. Have a nice day.